What's cracking, y'all? It's PK Smoke Rubber. Hope you guys are doing good. Another weekend in quarantine. I don't have much of a big update here. I got a couple of tools in a recent Amazon order. I'll leave a link in the description. But unfortunately, I'm waiting on the rest. Some of them won't be in stock until a week or so. And, some of them won't be shipping until sometime later. Anyway, this is a pretty nice kit. Not exactly sure what this does, but I think this has to do with painting parts. Might be used as a guide, but I'll look into that and make sure I know what it's for if I use it. Nice sharp X-Acto knife will be good for, making some fine cuts. Some sanding sticks are in here. From what I've seen, this is going to be sufficient for maybe this one project, but might need more. I like the emery cloths, and we got a couple of tools to cut the plastic parts. Some nice picks here. And yeah, a couple other things are on their way. They'll be here pretty soon. But yeah, I mean, it kind of sucks that we have to wait, but I'm sure I'm not the only one experiencing this. If any of you guys have been ordering from Amazon and all your normal online retailers, things are going to be taking a lot longer than normal, and we're kind of used to that already. But anyway, just want to let you guys know that I got something in the works here, and hopefully everything else gets in here in the next few days. I've ordered a mat. The precise mat that allows you to, make sure you can cut against things and not scratch up your table. I'm also have paintbrushes on the way, a couple of paints. For example, the paints that come that are recommended to paint this model aren't included in the kit, obviously, right? So we have a tester's kit coming on the way. A tester's kit coming on the way that will give me some of the standard colors like red, yellow, silver, black, I believe white, even gold is in that kit. But I ordered some other ones like clear red and transparent red, which will be used for the taillights and things like that. So I definitely like details of that nature, and definitely want to try to get this as exact as possible. So yeah, again, sorry guys, not much of a big update here, but this toolkit will be very useful for what I want to do. Again, I'll leave this link in the description. And then I have a little, little surprise here for you guys. I found, I love finding things on eBay, especially when they're at a good deal. And so here we go. Picked up this nice Porsche 962C. Now what I'm planning on doing, to be kind of transparent here, is I think that I'm going to be giving away one or two of these, or maybe even do a raffle for you guys. I do have a couple now, and we'll see how it goes over time. But yeah, here it is. Right, brand new, unopened, unused. This should have been in its packaging, but it isn't, and it's not a big deal because it's not damaged. But yeah, everything else is in there as well. So, should be a fun little build as well. But if I don't end up building it, maybe I'll sell it. Not sure yet. I want to get started with what I have now, and I'm just eager to get started, so I can't wait for the paints and the different things I need to get going with this other project to come in. Will be definitely nice to get started on those things. So anyway guys, if you like what you see here, feel free to like and subscribe, and look forward to your feedback. Any of you guys who've been doing this for quite some time have some pointers and feedback resources, definitely please leave them in the comments. And also I've been following the scalemodeler.com, I believe it is. He's got some really nice stuff going on there, so good reference points there and lots of resources. So yeah, look forward to the next one, guys. Hope everyone's staying safe and healthy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.